Hello, this is Val, the design engineer at VentTabs. Today we will be doing a vent tab replacement install for a Toyota 4Runner 2010 to 2013. This applies to all four front vents, and today we specifically have a driver's side vent. Here's the replacement vent tab. See, it has our patented one-piece design. And we're going to lightly put it on this blade here, just like that. Not all the way on yet. We're gonna look through here to make sure that the forks line up with the rear adjustment blade post. And when that is, just snap it into place like that. And there you have it. A fully functional vent again. And you can find all of our products online at VentTabs.com. Thanks for watching.